Hello and welcome to Canon Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Jura Impreza J9 and the customer reports that it makes a strange sound and that it doesn't function, but we've been testing it several times and not having any issues. So let's go ahead and pour a shot. And it seems to be making a shot without any issues. So let us know if you are pushing a different button or using it under some sort of different condition that might cause the problem, and we can try to test it that way. But I have tried pushing several different buttons, such as the espresso button and the cappuccino button, and I haven't been able to get it to malfunction. So, thank you for watching with Canon Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.